ought to be. Four perfect movements in harmony with each other. Good morning. We all have gathered here today to witness the most exciting event of our school, choral recitation put forth by students of class 3. 4 seasons. Spring. The fields are rich with daffodils, a coat of clover cloak the hills. And I must dance and I must sing to see the beauty of the spring. Summer. The earth is warm, the sun's ablaze. It is the time of carefree days, and bees are buzz that chance to pass may see me snoozing in the grass. Fall. The leaves are yellow, red and brown. A shower sprinkles softly down. The air is fragrant, crisp and cool. And once again I'm stuck in school. Winter. The birds are gone. The world is wide. The winds are wild. They chill and bite. The ground is thick with sludge and sleet, and I can barely feel my feet. The last is done. The next is here, as same as it is every year. Spring, then sunshine, autumn, snow. This is how each year must go. Thank you.